we'll guide you through how to uninstall VS Code from your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your computer's Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. Open the Control Panel and look for Programs or Programs and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Visual Studio Code, which might also appear as VS Code. Once you locate it, click on it to highlight. Then you'll see an option at the top that says Uninstall. Click Uninstall, and a new window will pop up, asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Yes to proceed. The uninstallation process will begin, and it might take a few moments to complete, depending on your system. Once it's done, you'll get a notification confirming that VS Code has been successfully removed from your computer. If for any reason the program does not appear in the list, you can go directly to the folder where VS Code is installed, usually in the Program Files directory on your C drive. Here, you can manually find the unins000.exe file and double-click it to start the uninstallation process. Once you've uninstalled, you may want to restart your computer to ensure all components are fully removed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.